Once again, we have a continuously compounding savings account that pays 3.5% interest. So the rate is going to be 0.035, written as a decimal. And it says that it has, so this is the outcome. The outcome is $11,000 after 6 years. We want to know how much will it have after 9. So we don't know what the principal is right now. The first thing we need to do is solve for the principal before we go back and answer this question. So how do we set this up? We have 11,000 equals, we don't know the principal. I'm going to make that an x. E raised to the 0.035 times 6. Now this is a value that's being multiplied. So if I divide both sides by that value, and I don't want to round and then round again. So what I'm going to do in order to achieve this answer without rounding twice is I'm first going to figure out what E raised to the 0.035 times 6 is. Now I want to take 11,000 divided by that number. And we can copy and paste that in by going second and answer, which is below the 3. And I have, so this is my principal amount. I'm going to put a P right away. Principal is $8,916.43. Now we can go back and answer this question. So how much will you have? So we know that and we don't want to know the outcome. So what is the outcome? That's my A value. I'm going to make that an X right now. We know this is the principal. E raised to, we're going to keep the exact same rate, but we're going to have it in for specifically 9 years. So let's first figure out that E value. So E raised to the 0.035 times 9, and then we're going to take that times that initial investment of $8,916.43. Okay, if I can find room here, it's going to be $12,217.82.